Ever wondered how lenders decide whether to give you a loan, a mortgage, or even a credit card? It's not just a gut feeling, there's a whole system behind it, and at the heart of that system are credit reporting agencies. Today, we're diving deep into one of the biggest names in the game, Equifax. We're going to explore what services they offer, how they work, and why they matter to you. Think about it, when you apply for credit, you're essentially asking someone to trust you with their money. They need a way to assess your trustworthiness. This is where credit reports come in. These reports are like financial resumes, detailing your borrowing history, payment patterns, and other relevant financial information. Equifax, along with Experian and TransUnion, are the major credit bureaus in the United States that compile and maintain these reports. So, what exactly does Equifax do? At its core, Equifax is a data analytics and technology company that collects and aggregates consumer credit information. This information is then used to create credit reports, which are used by lenders, businesses, and even individuals for various purposes. But their services extend far beyond just credit reporting. Let's break down some of the key services Equifax offers. First and foremost, credit reporting. This is what Equifax is most known for. They collect data from various sources, including banks, credit card companies, retailers, and public records. This data includes things like your payment history, outstanding balances, credit limits, and the types of credit you use. This information is then compiled into a credit report, which provides a snapshot of your creditworthiness. This report is used by lenders to assess your risk as a borrower. A higher credit score, based on the information in your report, generally indicates a lower risk, making you more likely to be approved for credit at better terms. Beyond basic credit reporting, Equifax offers credit monitoring services. These services help you stay on top of your credit health by alerting you to changes in your credit report. This can include new accounts opened in your name, changes to your credit scores, and public record updates. Monitoring your credit is crucial for detecting potential identity theft and ensuring the accuracy of your credit information. If you spot something amiss, you can take steps to rectify the situation quickly. Another key service is identity theft protection. Equifax offers various products designed to help protect you from identity theft. These products can include things like credit monitoring, fraud alerts, and identity restoration assistance. Identity theft can be a devastating experience, and having proactive protection in place can provide peace of mind. Equifax also provides commercial credit reporting services. This is different from consumer credit reporting. Commercial credit reports provide information about businesses, helping other businesses assess their creditworthiness. This is crucial for businesses extending credit to other businesses, ensuring they're dealing with financially stable partners. Moving beyond credit, Equifax offers marketing services. They provide data and analytics solutions that help businesses target their marketing efforts more effectively. This can include things like consumer segmentation and targeted advertising. This is where the vast amount of data they hold becomes a powerful tool for businesses looking to reach specific demographics. Equifax Workforce Solutions are another area of their business. These services help employers manage their workforce, including things like employment verification, background checks, and tax credit services. This streamlines the hiring process and helps employers ensure they're making informed hiring decisions. Equifax also plays a role in data breach solutions. They offer services to help businesses respond to data breaches and mitigate the damage. This can include things like credit monitoring for affected individuals and identity restoration services. In today's digital world, data breaches are a serious threat, and having a plan in place is essential for any business. Now, it's important to understand the difference between a credit report and a credit score. Your credit report is the detailed history of your credit activity, while your credit score is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness based on the information in your report. Equifax, like other credit bureaus, provides credit reports, but the scores themselves are usually calculated using scoring models like FICO or VantageScore. These scores are what lenders often use as a quick snapshot of your credit risk. It's also crucial to know that you have the right to access your credit report. You are entitled to a free copy of your credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion One, once every 12 months through annualcreditreport.com. It's a good idea to check your reports regularly to ensure accuracy and catch any potential errors or signs of identity theft. So, why does all of this matter to you? Your credit report and score can significantly impact your financial life. They can affect your ability to get loans, mortgages, credit cards, and even things like insurance and rental housing. A good credit history can open doors to better interest rates and more favorable terms, saving you significant money over time. Conversely, a poor credit history can make it difficult to access credit and can result in higher interest rates. Understanding the services offered by Equifax and credit bureaus in general empowers you to take control of your financial health. By monitoring your credit, understanding how credit reports work, and taking steps to build and maintain good credit, you can set yourself up for financial success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.